Good morning, students. Welcome to our YouTube channel SSPS Rajon E Pathshala. Today we will study physics subject chapter 1 light. Now start. Light is a form of energy. It makes an object visible. It travels in a straight line. It is a type of transverse wave which travels in the form of crest and troughs. It can travel in solid, liquid, gas, as well as in space or particleless medium. Transparent object allows light to pass through it completely. Translucent object allows only a part of light through it. Opaque object does not allow light to pass through it. Transparent object translucent object, object, opaque object. एग्जाम्पल में देख लेंगे आप, क्लियर वाटर, ग्लास, एयर, ट्रांसलूसेंट में डर्टी वाटर, डर्टी ग्लास, ऑयली पेपर, ओपेक में ब्रिक, स्टोन, वुड, etc. Actually, light is visible spectrum of electromagnetic wave. Electromagnetic wave behavior. Behavior. VIBGYOR. VIBGYOR. V for violet, I for indigo, B for blue, G for green, Y for yellow, O for orange, and R for red. Luminous object. Object produces light. Example: bulb, sun, light insect, जुगनू, नॉन लुमिनियस ऑब्जेक्ट, ऑब्जेक्ट डज नॉट प्रोड्यूस लाइट. एग्जाम्पल: स्टोन, wall, etc. Light. In space is 3 into 10 to the power 8 meter per second. In this chapter, we will study about reflection of light. Reflection of light. Second one, refraction of light. Third one, deviation of light. Fourth one, scattering of light. Now, we will discuss about reflection of light. Reflection of light. When a ray of light falls on a plane surface or an object or an opaque object, it returns back or bounces back to the same medium. When a ray of light falls on a surface, then it bounces back or returns back to the same medium. This phenomena is called reflection of light. When a ray of light falls or strike on an opaque object, it returns back or bounces in the same medium. This phenomenon is called reflection of light. Reflection of light. Dear student, we have studied about reflection of light. Revise again. Suppose this is a reflecting surface and a ray is coming at point O from A, and it returns back or bounce back to OB. Here the perpendicular to the reflecting surface at point O is ON, Now, OA, AO, AO, which is falling on the surface, is called incident ray, and after reflection, the bouncing back ray, that is OB, is called reflected ray. OA is incident ray, which falls on point O. OB is reflected ray, and O1 is perpendicular. O1 is perpendicular or normal to the reflecting surface. At point O. O1 reflecting surface है, सॉरी O1 परपेंडिकुलर है रिफ्लेक्टिंग सरफेस पर, जो पॉइंट O पर लाई करता है. Now, the angle between incident ray and the normal is called angle of incidence, and the angle between normal and reflected ray is called angle of reflection. Again, angle of incident is the angle formed between normal and incident ray. It is denoted by I. Again, angle of reflection R. Is the angle formed between reflected ray and the normal. नॉर्मल जो आपका O1 हुआ और रिफ्लेक्टेड रे OB हुआ, उसके बीच में जो एंगल बनेगा R, वो क्या हो गया? रिफ्लेक्टेड रे. इट इज डिनोटेड बाय R. Yes, start. Okay. Types of reflection. Actually, there are two types of reflection. Number one, regular reflection. Number two, irregular reflection. Regular reflection. Reflection at plane surface. Suppose this is a plane surface and a parallel beam of light is falling on it. After reflection, the reflected ray will also be parallel or in a regular manner. This type of reflection is called regular reflection. Again, irregular reflection. Reflection on rough surfaces. Suppose this is a rough surface on which a parallel beam of light fall, but after reflection, reflected rays are not parallel. Such type of reflection is called irregular reflection. Hence, reflection at rough surface is irregular reflection. Dear student, we would like to revise again. Light is a form of energy. It means we can change light to another form of energy. It makes an object visible. It means we can see an object with the help of light. In absence of light, we can't see an object. Third point is it travels in a straight line. It means it goes only in a straight direction. It is a type of transverse wave. Dear student, in class 9, we have studied about transverse wave. Transverse wave travels in the form of crest and troughs. Hence, light wave also travels in the form of crest and troughs. It can travel in solid, liquid, gas and particleless medium. It means since this is a transverse wave and we know that transverse wave or electromagnetic wave can travel in solid, liquid, gas as well as in particleless medium like space etc. Transparent object allows light to pass through it completely. It means glass, clean water, etc. are transparent object. They allow the light to pass through them completely. Opaque object like greasy or oily paper, dirty water, dirty glass, they do not allow all the light to pass through them. A part of light pass through it. Actually, light is visible spectrum of electromagnetic wave. Electromagnetic wave contains infrared, visible, and ultraviolet rays. Ultraviolet rays, visible rays, and infrared. Actually, in case of light, we discuss about visible rays. Vigor, VIBGYOR. Vigor, V for violet, I for indigo, B for blue, G for green, Y for yellow, O for orange, R for red. Luminous object like candle, bulb, sun, star, etc. can produce light thereon. Non-luminous object can't produce light. They can be made illuminating with the help of reflected ray. Like moon is illuminating with the help of reflected ray by the sun. The speed of light is 3 into 10 to the power 8 meter per second. Dear student, in this chapter we will study about reflection of light. And the first topic is reflection of light. We have studied earlier. The second topic is reflection of light. Third is deviation of light, and fourth topic is scattering of light. Now, reflection of light. When a ray of light falls on a reflecting surface, then it returns back or bounces back after striking on it. This bouncing back is known as reflection of light. The ray which come on the reflecting surface is called incident ray, and the bouncing back ray is called reflected ray, and the normal or perpendicular to the plane at the point of incident is called the normal. Now, there are two types of reflection: regular reflection and irregular reflection. Regular reflections at the plane surface. In regular reflections, reflected ray makes a patterns or returns back regularly. But in regular reflection, on the rough surface, the parallel beam of ray do not be parallel after reflection, or they are irregular after reflection. It means okay.